This video got 21,000 views, this one got 34,000 views, and this one got 60,000 views. But that's not the crazy part. The crazy part is why some videos on the same channel were struggling with few hundred and thousand views. These videos literally outperformed by a margin. So the question is, what exactly is the secret sauce this video had because of which they outperformed? And the answer to this lies in these 4 viral formats. And once you understand this particular format, you'll wake up with your YouTube dashboard looking like this. And quick disclaimer, this video is not going to be about some basic advice like make video on pain points of the people. I'm literally going to share a copy and paste framework with actionable steps which applied right now will start getting amazing amount of views and sales for your business with the help of YouTube. So let's get into it. So we are on my screen right now. Before we get into this 4 type of viral content ideas, I actually want to talk about what you will be able to achieve after making the content around these 4 ideas. You will be able to build a strong authority in the market. You will get more views compared to any small channel. People will book, call and buy products and services from you. You will be able to solve problem in the people life and businesses. So these are all the things you will be able to achieve if you start making the content around these 4 type of viral content ideas. The first and the foremost is case study / strategy reveal content of your client and other famous people in your niche. Now if you are starting a brand new channel, I will highly recommend you to just start making the content around the case study / strategy reveal of other famous people in the niche. See, the thing about YouTube is that at start when you're uploading the video, YouTube doesn't know who is your target audience, so it randomly shows the video to different people. In fact, some of my client videos were ranking on the keywords which we really didn't wanted it to rank, because the YouTube doesn't know who is your ideal audience. But if you start making the content on famous people, you are able to leverage the audience of those famous people and able to get that initial views and subscribers for your channel. And once you're able to get initial subscribers and views, YouTube understand your audience and hence rest of your video also start performing well. So when you're starting, this particular format is one of the best. And one of the great example of the same is Ryan Matthews. Ryan Matthews made this particular video on Subi and how Subi made $7.8 billion sales funnel genius strategy. And I'll quickly take you on his YouTube channel. So if you just look at his oldest videos, some of his oldest videos were just basic guide. He was talking about to do this, to do that, and all those how-to videos and all those sort of things. Those were not working. But then he actually found this particular format, and from here on, his video started performing well. Just look at it. Every video is getting more and more views. He made video on Iman Ghazi, got 49,000 views. If you just look at his popular videos, the Subi video is the popular one, 96,000 views. This video got 49,000 views, 41,000 views, 26,000 views. So his channel started doing well once he started making the video on this particular format. And right now he's just making the video on this particular format only, and all those videos are getting amazing amount of views, as you can see. And the great thing which he did is basically using the short as a promotional material for his long form videos. In short, right now you can actually tag the video as well. So you can just look at it. He has actually tagged his long form video here. If you click on this, you will actually get into the long form video. So that's what exactly he has done. So I really liked his entire strategy, and this is the best strategy if you're a new channel, make content around this. He has got 12.4k views in a very niche content of funnel. If you're able to get 12.4k views in just 66 video, it's really amazing. The second type of content is client success story. So if you have a client who have got amazing amount of results, you can just ask that particular client to come on a call with you, a simple Zoom call, record that particular call, ask these basic questions, and then just put it on YouTube. And this particular content again do really well. But both of this content will not do well if you don't follow these 2 simple things. The first and the foremost is basically having a good title and thumbnail. That's bare minimum. If your title and thumbnail is not good, people are not gonna click on the video. And the second, the most important, is to have a killer intro. Your intro need to be properly scripted with a good amount of open-ended sentences, a good amount of social proof, a good amount of storytelling, a good amount of editing. If that's not there in the intro, then these videos are not going to work. For case study video, these are some of the title formats which are working amazingly on YouTube right now. So you can just steal these formats and start getting more and more amount of views and sales for your business. So this is the case study format. Now let's get into the second format, which is basically tutorial content. Now the thing about YouTube is that it's promoting long form videos, the videos which are over 20 minutes, as people tendency to click on these videos is quite high. Plus, as people are coming with the intention of learning, so the chances of watching the video till the end is quite high. Some of the great example of the same is Alex Hormozi and Simon Skip, about whom I will discuss afterwards. And creating long form videos gives you 3 amazing superpowers. First, you don't need high amount of retention in reading throughout, so you can produce in high amount. Second, your trust and authority in the market increase. And the third and the most important, high repeat rate and sharing rate, thus you get more views and attraction. These are the exact things which big creators like Simon Skip or Alex Hormozi has able to understand, and because of which their channels and their videos has been doing really well and getting them amazing amount of sales and all other things for their businesses. So I will just show you the example of Alex Hormozi for that matter. Alex Hormozi, as you can see on Alex Hormozi's channel, his last 20 to 30 videos has been long form. Just look at it. 1 hour 32 minute 29 seconds, 33 minute, 2 hour 36 minute, 41 minute, 27 minute, 1 hour 37 minute, 46 minute, and you can just go on and on. And one of the example I've added here is that how how to start a e-commerce business in 2024, and this particular video again has done well, 25,000 views. For tutorial video, these are some of the title formats which are working amazingly right now, so you can just steal these formats and start making your own content. The third type of content is live demonstration. Basically, you're setting up a Facebook ad, you are just setting up an e-commerce store. You can just come in front of the screen and actually record the entire process, and people watch those particular videos. Some of the example of this is how to run a Facebook ad for e-commerce free course, and in this he have actually shown the entire process of how to set up the Facebook ads and how to run the Facebook ads to the entirety. The second is again $4 million in 30 days with e-commerce, how to run a Google ads in 2024. Again, this video has performed really well. And the third is new Facebook ad strategy to scale your e-com brand in 2024. Again, he has just shown the entire process. So for example, if you are a LinkedIn coach and you want to replicate this particular format of $4 million in 30 days, you can just make like $1 million in 30 days with LinkedIn, how to set up your LinkedIn profile. These are some of the title formats which are working amazingly for live demonstration kind of content. So just copy it. Now the fourth type of content is challenge/document videos. Now out of all these four formats, this one is the hardest to make because you need to document each and every part of your process, and that kind of takes a bit more time. At the same time, it's a bit of more work. And here is one example. I tried dropshipping for 7 days, and as you can see, he's sharing the raw result, completely raw. It has got 35,000 views in just 1 month. And these are some of the title ideas which are working for this particular format. So these are the 4 types of viral content you should create right now if you're starting a new channel, if your channel is small, and it will get a significant amount of views. Now things to keep in mind when you're making the content around this particular format. First, intro needs to be really good. I mentioned it a lot of times, I know it, but this is very much important. This is literally the prerequisite. Second is your sound quality need to be really good. Use any condenser mic, it looks really good in the frame as well, because if you think about it for a moment, in the body part only your sound quality matters and your presentation skill matters. If you nail both of these, your video will do amazingly. And third, be raw, be real, but have a structure in the content, otherwise it will become repetitive. So these are the 4 viral format around which if you make content right now, you start getting amazing amount of views. Truth being told, it's not that easy because you need to understand a lot of other things. You need to get this particular video edited properly. Your intro script need to be really good. Plus what to say in the body, how to structure the body is also something which is a big challenge. And I'm not saying you can't do this particular thing, but it's really time consuming. So if you want someone who can take care of all those things, where all you need to do is sit in front of the camera and record the video, and rest of the things from ideation to scripting to editing of the video to thumbnail to title to description, and then repurposing that particular content across different formats in form of reels, carousel, threads. As you can see, this is one which we made for our client. We converted the same video in form of short, which did really well. If you want everything completely done for you, then click the first link in the description and book a strategy call with us, and on the call we'll create a custom strategy for you. This was it from this particular video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. By the way guys, this is my first video on this particular channel and your support is gold. Please just let me know what exactly you think about this particular video and what exactly is the feedback. Am I talking too fast? Am I talking too slow? Whatever your feedback is, just let me know. Thank you very much for all your support, and thank you very much for watching this particular video till the end. Bye.